Hello everybody, my name is Ungar and welcome back to Entity Infestation, the survival exploration horror game I've been developing based on the Backrooms. Now today is a very important day for the game. This might not seem like much, and that's because it isn't. But what happens when I press the play button is very exciting. I will show you that later in the video, but let me just explain first. It all has to do with the map. That's really all I've been focusing on. Since the last devlog, I've literally changed the speed of the player, and that's it, besides working on the map. So all of my time has been spent on making this very important part of the game actually work. So let me just explain to you how the map works. So you see this is a 100 by 100 little box here. This has, let me just go to the side here to show you guys, this has doors on the side. As the player, you spawn in the middle of one of these boxes. If you click on a door or touch it, it spawns another 100 by 100 box on the other end of the door. If you walk through the door will close behind you, this one will delete itself, and you'll be in a new room and repeat the process over again. Now, the reason the map generation works like this is because of lag. That's really it. The lag was so horrendous that all it can load is a 100 by 100 area, or the game very much gets unhappy. But yeah, so in here, this is room 4 done, except it's not done. This is supposed to be a stairwell area so that you can get between the 3 floors and not just be stuck on one that you are right now. It doesn't work, as you can see, so I don't know why I call it room 4 done. But these other 4 do work, so let me just show you them, and then we'll hop into a playtest. This first one, room 0, this acts as a spawn room, and it can also just randomly generate as well. Each floor is exactly the same, so that you can't have an unfair advantage or disadvantage when spawning in. And then upon going through a door, this room or any of the others will randomly spawn. I'll just do a quick glide through some of the rooms to show you guys what they're all about. It's the Backrooms, but with a little more details, because this is a game, it needs to be fun. So there's some tables, some chairs, some more cool walls, and more fun architecture. There's some hidden secrets around for you guys to find. And yeah, I think I did miss the floor up here. The walls also barely go through the ceiling so that I can see them from above, which is a nice little thing, but it really doesn't affect the gameplay at all, as you can't do anything with that in-game. But here's some of the, whoopsies. Here's some of the rooms. Let's go to room 2. More of the same, just endless rooms, some variation so that it doesn't get repetitive. I'll be making a lot more rooms as well. This is only the first few. Some liminal space images I've taken inspiration from and tried to recreate them here, along with just some cool things. Some friends suggested rooms. I just hopped in some random voice chats in Discord and they gave me ideas. I've gone all over the place to find any cool room designs that anyone wants. And yeah, if you guys have any cool ideas that you want, just comment them down below and I'll see if I can try and create them. But anyway, those are all the rooms, and I've pretty much covered everything. At least I think I have. If I haven't, then I'll review it in the next devlog. But just before we hop in there, what's changed? Player movement has been slightly lowered as the player was a bit too fast. Totally new map generation system where you can go through doors and go around and stuff, along with all these rooms down here, and some more just small gameplay tweaks. But let's just hop into it. So, immediately, as I said, you spawn in this room so that you don't get an unfair advantage or disadvantage. And now we can just sort of wander around. So we are going to go through here. And then we can go in here. Yeah, this is pretty much how the game works. You just go around the rooms. Eventually there's going to be hunger and food systems, probably. Maybe crafting so that you can fight back against the monsters. I don't know. Definitely want it to be fun because it's a game. I don't want it to just be a walking simulator. So I'll see what direction the game's going to go in. But for now, honestly, it is a walking simulator. There's no way to win. You just walk around. But that'll fix before I release the game. These doors that aren't an edge door, they don't work for some reason. I need to fix those. But you can see here we're just wandering around looking for doors to go through so that we can progress and have fun in the back rooms. The lighting here is upped a ton so that you guys can see what's going on. It'll be a little darker in game, a little more spooky, which should be fun. I've also added some little tricks in the shadows that should hopefully spook a few of you. No jump scares or anything just yet, but definitely some little creatures hiding in the darkness. They don't spawn yet, but they will. And anyway, I think that's it for today's video. There's a few bugs. One of them causes the map to totally destroy itself and send me into the abyss. So before I end up triggering that, I'm just going to stand still and end the video here, because I believe I've covered everything in thorough detail. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye!